On the ice now, representing the United States, please welcome Jessica.
Well, first junior Grand Prix season for Jessica Lynn of the United States, born in Plano, Texas. She's coached by Peter and Darlene Kane, 15 years old, 8th after the short program. Skating her free program here tonight to View of Silence, an Asian Dream song by Joe Hisaishi.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the United States, Jessica Lynn.
Well, this is a very talented young skater. Got great jump technique. Had some challenges early on in the program, but she fought back. Great speed. Not really connected with the music yet, kind of up and down the ice. Not a lot of transitions, but that's the stage of development she's at. She's got great jump technique and some good spins. Let's take a look at some of the elements. Here's triple toe, just right on top of the landing. Good flow, free leg back, right up in the double loop. Very solid start. It's a plus 1.09 GOE. There's a triple loop. Gets the free leg back just, but not in time to get a good toe pick in for the double toe. Goes down on that. Here's the triple Lutz. A little too far to the inside, doesn't get all the way around. But look at this flying set, great height there, nicely centered, nice low position. Triple flip. A little slow with that free leg, but hung on to that, probably a little under rotated, but comes right back with a nice double axel off the end of the edge. Free leg gets back, pushes her straight up, gets around, triple toe loop. There's 4 elements that the technical panel are reviewing just to make sure that they have the rotations accurate. But nice job. She didn't let anything totally go. Had a couple of mistakes, but she kept focused all the way through the program. That was nice. She really gets a little bit more confident that she's going to deliver all those goods. She'll reach out a little bit more to the music. Perhaps some more steps in between, but beautiful basics. Good technique, her skating skills. We'll see how all that develops over the next season or two. Lots of abilities in this young lady.
The first
pre-program score for Jessica Lind of the United States, 95.55. Pleased with that. That's second in the free program. With a total competition score of 148.35. That's pretty close, but that puts her currently overall into second place.